Today I'll show you how anyone, even without IT experience, can start learning AI and become an AI engineer step by step. Now let's talk about why AI is important. AI is everywhere. Chatbots, self-driving cars, AI art companies, they are hiring AI engineers rapidly. AI is everywhere, from chatbots helping customers to self driving cars to AI generated art. Companies are hiring AI engineers, to create these intelligent solutions. Before you start, the most important skill is the right mindset. You need to be curious, enjoy solving problems, and always be willing to learn. AI is not just coding, it's understanding data and building smart solutions. Step number one is AI and fundamentals. You need to understand AI, machine learning, generative AI. So, for this, the recommended certification is AI 900. This is the step number one, that's to learn AI fundamentals. You need to understand what AI, machine learning, and generative AI are. Microsoft AI 900, is a beginner friendly and it requires no coding. Now here I'll tell you how to gain that certification Microsoft AI 900. So you need to go to Google and you need to type Microsoft AI 900 certification. Okay, so once you type that details, so here it will direct you to this link. So you just need to click Microsoft certified Azure AI fundamentals. So this is something that you will get at this end. So this level here is beginner, means anyone without any IT experience can also do this certification. Product is Azure, role will be AI engineer, it's written here, right? So this is not something which I made it by myself, so Microsoft is saying by itself. So there are certain links here. You need to prepare for the exam, practice for the exam, and then you need to take the exam. So it also has certification resources. So but make sure this exam here, it is ending on June 30th 2026. It will be replaced with AI 901. So you can take this certification before that, or if after that you are taking, you need to pass AI 901 exam as well. So this certification is an opportunity for you to demonstrate knowledge of your machine learning and AI concepts that are used. It will tell you about basic cloud concepts, client server applications likewise. So you can prepare for the exam from here. So it will give you certain courses that you need to do for this. There will be modules that you will be passing, and then you can take a practice assessment that will be like the exam. The questions will not be same, but if you attempt this, if you score 80% or higher in the certification, in this practice part, then most probably you will be passing this exam as well. And once you are ready, you can schedule your exam through Pearson View UE. So this is an online platform for the exams. Like, you can take your exam at home. You can also schedule it through Studyport, if you wanted to give it, at the center, right? Or if you have any student discount, coupon, or an educator discount coupon, so you can go with that as well. So this is how you can, proceed with practicing, preparing this exam, and then giving the assessment test, practice assessment test, and then finally booking your exam through Pearson or through Certiport as per your requirement. So step number two is you need to explore no code AI tools. So you can build chatbots, AI dashboards, and more without writing any code. So tools like Microsoft Power Platform and ChatGPT plugins, make this easy. Step number three is you need to start building small projects. Create a chatbot, an AI image generator, or a recommendation engine. These projects will help you to build confidence and show employers your skill. And after creating this project, you can share it on your LinkedIn, you can share it on your GitHub, and add the links on your resume. Step number 4 is learning data basics. You have to learn data cleaning, visualization, and interpretation. So the tools like Excel, Google Sheets, Power BI, will help you, and it these tools are perfect for beginners. Next step here is earning certifications. Start with AI 900 as I said, and later explore PL 900 and or AB 100 or AI 102. So these certifications will help you stand out and show employers that you are serious even without prior IT experience. Now, the first certification that I told you was AI 900. The second certification is PL 900, and these days you can also take this PL 900 at 50% discount. Now I'll tell you how. So you need to go to Google, and type Microsoft Virtual Training Day. So it will show you as per your area where you are living, right? So since I'm living here in Canada, so it shows me based on that. So I'll go here for view all Microsoft events, right? So it is showing me all the virtual training days. So let's say here I am having one virtual training day that is similar to PL 900. Okay, so this is Microsoft Virtual Training Day, creating agents in Microsoft Copilot Studio. So this will be, it's completely free, and it will be on, 12th of April and 14th of April, both days, two parts. So I will be going here for registration and details. As you can see, April 13 and 4th, it has given, the dates, right? In India, it will be 9 a.m., 12 p.m. between that, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, and like online, these are online sessions, right? These are not something that you need to go there. This is just, it's showing you the timing based on that particular stuff. So also on certain other like Australia, Singapore, Tokyo likewise, and the languages are also shown here, right? So this is Microsoft Virtual Training Day for creating agents in Microsoft Copilot Studio. So once you attend this virtual training day, it will give you, Microsoft Power Platform Fundamental Certification, that's PL 900 that I was talking about, at a 50% off exam price. Okay, so you need to create an account on Microsoft Office Learn, and it will ask you to enter your details here, and then you can register. It's easy, and you will get an email, and then you just need to attend the session, right? You don't have to turn on your camera or something like that. You just need to attend this session, right? And once you attend that session, you can go to this link, right? This is the Microsoft Certified Power Platform Fundamentals PL 900, that you need to give. So this is a beginner. Product is Microsoft Power Platform. You can prepare, practice, and then take the exam. Same as AI 900, but this time you will get the discount, 50% discount. As you can see, the exam fees is 99 USD. So you can deduct 50% from 99. It will be around 45, 44. So it will be that much amount will be reduced once you attend that virtual training day. And it will be for even like you can give 5 exams, right? Per year, Microsoft, you can give 5 exam, and that 5 exams you can give for 50% exam fees. Like it will be deducted, 50% will be deducted. You will get complete discount 50% here. So you just need to go to Microsoft Learn, and then you need to go find the virtual training day regarding creating agents in Microsoft Copilot Studio, and then you will be attending this on whatever the date you have. And finally you will be preparing for this exam. You can see here all the materials are present. You can take the practice assessment test, and then you can book your exam, and the fees will be 50% discount will be given to you once you attend that virtual training day. So you can see how easy it is to stand out and show the show employers like you are serious, and you have also gained the certification. Next step here is you need to get recognized, you know, AI 900, PL 900, AB 100, and then start freelancing or entry level projects, or just do your project and share it on LinkedIn, on your GitHub. Gain the real experience. Start with small freelancing project, internships, or gigs. Even creating a chatbot or automating reports counts as experience, can lead to higher paying AI roles. So you can become an AI engineer, Remember, like becoming an AI engineer is a journey. You can start today, but building small projects, getting certified, and keep learning. So, this is how you can proceed with this stuff relating to, becoming an IT AI engineer, without any experience. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.